The 2004 Pontiac Grand Prix. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.